If you're considering SocialOomph for your social media management needs, there are a few things you need to know before you make your purchase. While it has a lot to offer, it's important to understand how it stacks up against other options out there. Let's break down the key features and what you should consider before jumping in. First off, SocialOomph is known for its simplicity and no-frills approach. Unlike more complex tools like Hootsuite or Buffer, it offers straightforward scheduling and analytics tools. But if you're looking for more advanced features like team collaboration or in-depth content planning, you might find SocialOomph a little lacking. Next thing, the pricing model. SocialOomph's subscription costs are relatively low, especially when compared to the premium plans of its competitors. It's great for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs who need basic functionality without paying for extra features they might not use. However, as your business grows and your needs become more complex, you might find that the higher tier plans don't offer the same level of versatility as competitors like Sprout Social. The third thing to know is SocialOomph's social media coverage. It supports major platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn, but it doesn't offer integrations with Instagram or TikTok. So, if those platforms are essential to your strategy, you might want to consider other tools that provide better support. The fourth thing is its scheduling features. SocialOomph does a solid job with post scheduling, and it even allows you to schedule posts in bulk. However, if you need more robust features like content calendars, visual post previews, or the ability to collaborate on posts with your team, other tools like Buffer might be a better fit. Next up, analytics. SocialOomph does provide analytics, but it's not as powerful as what you'll get from competitors like Hootsuite or Sprout Social. The reporting is basic, which is fine for smaller operations, but if you're looking for in-depth insights or detailed custom reporting, you might want to look elsewhere. The sixth point to consider is automation. SocialOomph shines in its automation capabilities, allowing you to automatically repost content or set up automatic welcome messages on Twitter. It's not as advanced as some tools like MeetEdgar, which also offer content recycling, but it's a nice touch for anyone trying to keep their social media efforts running smoothly without constant manual input. Next thing, customer support. SocialOomph offers email support, but its customer service response time can be a bit slower compared to the real-time support offered by competitors like Sprout Social or Buffer. If prompt customer service is a priority for you, keep that in mind. The eighth thing to note is its user interface. SocialOomph keeps things simple, which some users love. It's easy to navigate, and you won't get bogged down by unnecessary complexity. But this simplicity comes with trade-offs, and if you're someone who prefers a more polished, feature-rich user interface, platforms like Hootsuite may appeal to you more. Next, let's talk about integrations. SocialOomph integrates with tools like Zapier, which is great for automating workflows with third-party apps. But compared to others, the number of native integrations is more limited. So if you rely heavily on integrations with tools like Google Analytics or Canva, SocialOomph might not be the best choice. The 10th point is that SocialOomph is really focused on efficiency. For example, you can queue up content across multiple platforms at once with ease. But if you need to manage or engage with a large volume of social media posts, more robust tools like Sprinkler might be a better option due to their larger capacity. The 11th thing is its scalability. While SocialOomph works well for small to medium businesses, it may struggle to keep up as your team grows or as you scale your social media operations. Larger enterprises often find more success with tools that offer enterprise-level solutions and dedicated support. Lastly, the value for money. For small businesses and individuals, SocialOomph offers great value with its affordable plans. But as your needs evolve and you require more advanced features, you might find better value in more premium tools that offer a greater depth of functionality. So, SocialOomph can definitely be a solid option if you're looking for something affordable and simple to use, but if you're seeking more advanced features, better analytics, or superior integrations, it might not be the perfect fit. If you're looking for a better solution that's easy to use and offers a free trial, check out our recommended option. It could be exactly what you need for your social media management.